Today we are going to look at the basic components and plumbing of a pull-type boom sprayer. There are many different types of sprayers, but no matter the size or the application, they all have the same basic components. Typically, these sprayers consist of a tank, boom, pump, plumbing, and nozzles. The first things you will notice on most sprayers are the tank and the sprayer boom. These are the largest components of the sprayer, and what they do is pretty straightforward. The tank holds the liquid that is to be sprayed, and the boom disperses the liquid. Some larger sprayers will have more than one tank. You will notice this sprayer has a rinse tank located on the front. This stores fresh water for rinsing out the main tank. It also has a cone bottom tank for adding and mixing chemicals. Now let's go under the sprayer and look at the less obvious components. On the bottom of the tank is the tank outlet. This tank outlet is located in a sump for complete drain. There's a ball valve on the tank outlet to stop liquid from draining out of the tank if necessary. From the tank outlet, there is a suction hose that supplies liquid to the pump. The pump is the heart of the sprayer. It produces the flow necessary to disperse the solution in the tank throughout the boom and ultimately the nozzles. It also supplies flow to operate the inductor tank, agitate the contents of the primary tank, and rinse the tank. The outlet of the pump goes into a manifold. This manifold is where the operator can direct the flow where they want, depending on what they need to achieve at that time. For example, there are section valves on the manifold that give the operator control over what section of the boom is on. They can control these valves with switches in the cab. They can direct flow to the agitation nozzles in the tank or the inductor. From each section valve in the manifold, there is a discharge hose. These hoses carry liquid from the section manifold to the corresponding boom section. The boom holds all of the sprayer nozzles and the hoses that supply each one. The sprayer nozzles attach to the boom via a nozzle body. This sprayer has what we call a dry boom. That means there's a hose supplying each nozzle body. A wet boom is where the liquid runs through the boom pipe itself, and the nozzle bodies clamp to this pipe. It eliminates the need for so many hoses. Large pull-type sprayers like this will often have automatic rate control. This means that the amount of liquid that is sprayed remains constant if the tractor speeds up or slows down. This is possible because of a flow meter and regulating valve that talk to one another to keep the flow at the necessary rate to match the speed of the tractor. The spray nozzles are the most important part of a sprayer. They impact the rate at which the chemical is applied, the droplet size, drift, spray pattern, etc. The goal of a sprayer is effective coverage, and the nozzle is the key to this. You can find out more information about these different components, like sprayer nozzles, and how to select them, in the links below. Thank you for watching.